My name is Art Aviles. I'm a co-founder of the developers of this amazing technology called biophotonics. In this video, I'm going to quickly run through just some of the tests that have been conducted on the technology. Now, based on these kind of tests, thousands of people providing empirical data, and hundreds of testimonials, we have determined that biophotonics can increase strength, enhance endurance, and improve coordination. And it can provide greater mental focus, increased energy, and reduced stress. This stress reduction study, conducted by Dr. Dannett, a research scientist for ABC for Life in California, showed it can reduce stress in our daily lives and in unusually stressful situations. This strength test, conducted by the Ohio Research Group, an elite athlete testing institute, showed it can increase strength and peak power output. This study, conducted at the Energy Enhancement Institute in Texas by Drs. Richard and White, showed an increase in energy to the brain while calming and relaxing the brain at the same time. Dr. Richards even commented that this type of profile is usually found in elite athletes when they're in the zone. Blood studies conducted by Dr. Centenary and Dr. Hall of the Interactive Nutrition Research Facilities placed a drop of blood on a slide and noticed a very common phenomenon called rouleau. This is where the blood stacks together, restricting flow. Then, while under the microscope, they placed our biotech in the environment near the blood's energy field, and immediately it began to break apart. Then they put the biotech on the same person, and a few minutes later extracted another drop of blood and looked at it once again. And they saw, as you are seeing right now, that the blood was flowing freely. Dr. Hall stated that this is an increase in the body's ability to rid itself of toxins, and that it places it in the perfect state of being to reduce the signs of aging. That's pretty cool. This test, conducted by Dr. Cruz, a research professor at the Arizona State University, early in the development of our technology, showed a very high level of balancing of the left and right hemispheres of the brain. This is especially important when it comes to physical balance, coordination, and performance. This is a brain mapping study conducted on an MMA world champion by Dr. Lopez of the Stone Mountain Research Center. It showed how biophotonics was able to calm this agitated brain, and it allowed the individual to rest and relax. Let me introduce you to Eric Paulson. He's one of the most knowledgeable mixed martial artists on the MMA scene. He uses the biophotonics to help train his elite MMA athletes. Eric, how's the PX working for you?
You have a lot of different things going on around you. It helps you ground and balance yourself. And it makes you feel 100% stable as a table and solid as a rock.
Studies conducted by Richard Lopez, a fitness research consultant for the fitness addiction gyms, confirmed what Eric has discovered. He also showed how the biophotonics help increase flexibility and range of motion. This study by Dr. Tully of the Colorado Energy Medicine Research Institute showed that the biophotonics substantially increased and stabilized the body's bioelectromagnetic field. This is a study conducted by Dr. Heron early in the development of the technology. He used an acoustic cardiogram to look at the heartbeat and surmised that it allowed the heart to remain strong, but it helped it to rest in between beats. Dr. Stryker conducted a clinical thermography study and saw how the biophotonics immediately reduced inflammation and helped to regain more efficient cell-to-cell communication. When asked, she even said that this technology is phenomenal. All of these studies point to three common conclusions. One, that the biophotonics is consistent in its results. 2, that its results are measurable. And 3, that it provides a positive result to anyone who uses it. This is Dr. Buselli in his clinic in Los Angeles. Dr. Buselli, we're often asked if there are any harmful side effects when using the photonics.
All of TENS products are completely safe for any age individual. They produce no harmful side effects and are always beneficial to the individual exposed to it. Like I said earlier, TENS Orchid Photonics gives us tools to fight back. It provides an answer to that question. What can you do?
Thank you, Doctor. Well, that pretty much says it all.